The conference is it's dedicated for conferences. It's a full automated solution integrated with conference system like Televic, Bosch, or Tessera. You're selling microphone, for example, and you can automate the production. You can choose your system. In this case, we choose Televic. We enter the IP. You can get microphone. After you can, or directly upload the picture of the room, and
And is there any limitation on the amount of cameras?
No.
Or I'm sorry, no,
no,
it's okay. Yeah.
After for preset you can choose, for example, for microphone 3, I want to add a picture, to have a preset for voice microphone. Just push, I choose my camera. Okay, I can validate. After you can add some white preset. You can add some combo preset. For example, microphone 1, microphone 2. I want to add this feature, for example. Okay, validate. After, just to adapt, you can change some information or something like this. Yeah. And sorry, you want to enter in admin mode?
Yeah.
You want to?
It's cool to see. Yeah.
Just preview.
Yeah.
You can get the status of the microphone. You can add some, scene if you want to have picture-in-picture or something with logo, and you can associate microphone and people speaking to have the title. You have record, streaming, everything on the same interface. It's very simple to use. And after you can have some different bulk of presets. For example, if you want to have preset for a different kind of conference, you can choose.
Is it any built in any rules that if this person is talking a little, but then is it threshold, so you can set how long a person can talk before they actually get switched on, and if this two is talking, then you do the wide shot, and then you kind of, if someone on this page and this page is talking, then you have to kind of go to wide and release the camera before you can go to that person. Is it some,
you can.
Because we want it to look like it's a person they're doing a multi-camera file production.
You can adapt. You can change IA director. You can. There is some possibility to optimize the dynamism and the quality of the production. But to be honest, the default mode works good.
Yeah, but the camera never moves on air.
Of course not.
Yeah.
Of course not.
And some of the solutions does that.
No. It's no. It's like a producer. People, you have the same. We need to have a beautiful shot, and okay, it's very simple product. It's based on the same than radio. Conference is for conference and radio is for radio. There is a little difference, but at the end it's the same spirit, the same workflow.
Yeah. Have you looked into now the Canon is also launching the auto tracking now in this show?
I saw.
Do you think it's possible to run a command when you first have the shot to run a man to come? Because somebody is moving around in the chair, so to get the perfect shot, so start the AI tracking to kind of adjust framing.
For us, we have more. It's not improve it. I can show you. We have auto framing, but it's work with Panasonic and Sony camera.
Yep.
We need to work with Canon, but the system, the auto tracking of Canon, it's follow. I think it's not dedicated for broadcast application. It's good, for example, for education. If you want to follow a teacher. But if you want to do auto framing or something like this, it's not dedicated. In this case, we take the control. We can. just to show you. I'm not sure that this camera able to do auto framing, but we can in this case.
You have auto framing in your software also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we work with we do the video analysis inside multiCAM.
Yeah.
But